Alright guys, welcome to RC Mojo. This week we're up at Burton Dassett with a couple of trucks. Whenever I'm travelling, I like to pop a truck or two in the car, just in case there's an opportunity to give them a run. This week I knew I'd be coming back down the M40 right past Burton Dassett, so I loaded up as many trucks as I could fit in the boot, which isn't that many as I've only got a small car. I was hoping to get some footage of the FTX Mauler on the rocks to add to the next Mauler video. But in the UK the rules have yet again changed for meets and events, which has kind of messed up my schedule for the next few weeks. Therefore this week we've got many attempts at some ambitious lines over rocks, trying very hard to stress out the plastic parts on the Mauler so when we strip it down we can see just how well it's holding up. We've also got an almost stock TRX4 with no additional weights. It's a different class, but it's still interesting to see it as a comparison. Being able to unlock the rear differential does help a lot in positioning the front end on the rocks. It's almost as good as using a dig. I did end up getting both trucks up the first formation. That last little bit was down to luck more than anything though, just hitting the bump just right. But of course I didn't get that on video. I think from this little outing we can safely say the Mauler out of the box does quite well on dry rocks. The tyres grip really quite well, but they don't catch too well on the edges. Certainly they're miles better than on the wet mud we tried it last time, where the treads filled up within a couple of minutes, turning the tyres to slicks. So that's it from me this week. I'll leave the video rolling so you can see just how well the Mauler put up with my abuse. I think it did rather well, especially when you consider it's only 160 quid RTR. Hopefully next week I can organise something for a proper video, but in the meantime don't forget to subscribe if you're not already and like the video and all that kind of stuff, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye guys.
Should be able to get across to the left and go around that way.
No, the gate's there.
Yeah.
That's why I imagined it there, because it's difficult.
It's too big a length. Can't get the wheels on again. See, that's the body getting caught up.
Timber. Yeah, I nearly made it.
Yeah. good. How are you going?
It's harder than it looks.